To create a new Google Classroom class for parents, teachers, and students to join, you as the teacher are going to go into this plus sign in Google Classroom, create class, give it a name, and click create. When you do that, it eventually is going to create a course that shows up on your dashboard. When that shows up, you can find it in the list here. You can find it back on the dashboard, and then you're going to click whatever the name of this class is, and you're going to see that the class code is right there. You can either copy and paste the link here, or you also have the option of going to the settings, general, and then copying the class code from this screen. Then you're going to email the parents and tell them to go to Google Classroom. You're going to tell them that they are going to join your class. The way that they're going to do that is by clicking in Google Classroom on this plus sign, but they are going to click Join Class, and then they're going to paste the code that you gave them and click Join. When they do that, it is going to add them to the people that are a part of your class. If you want somebody to be able to post things and also be able to control the content, that would be adding a teacher up here. So if I wanted to add an additional teacher, I would type in their name and then click invite, and then they can accept that and be somebody who can contribute to the content that's on this class. But for parents and students, they would all need to be added as a student by just joining using the code that you provide them.